Hello everyone. Did you know that your smartphones have certain hidden features that can improve your Wi-Fi connection? This will significantly help increase the speed of your internet connection. I think that each of you who uses a router, that is, a home router, and through it distributes Wi-Fi to different devices, for example, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and the like, very often encounters the phenomenon when Wi-Fi jumps back and forth. That is, the network appears, then disappears. Or it happens that you need to reboot the router for the network to be restored, or again reboot your smartphone. In fact, there are cleverly hidden settings that will help improve the internet. Now I will tell you and show you everything. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. By the way, we will do two useful things at once. In addition to improving the speed of the internet, we will additionally reduce battery consumption. And we will do all this with just one setting. So, look, for this you need to use the usual standard settings. Click and then look for information about the phone, or it may be called information about the phone. Here, click. Then look for your firmware version, the line with the version name. Someone may call the build number. Here we quickly click on the build number several times. Here somewhere 5 to 7 times. It tells me that it is not necessary. You are already a developer. The first time it will write to you, "Congratulations, you have become a developer." Then look, exit with the back arrow. And among all these settings we need to find advanced settings. Here they are. If you do not find advanced settings, your section may be called system, or just look in the usual standard settings. Go here. And now look, scroll to the very bottom and find this setting, which is called for developers. Then, look, there are a lot of different functions here, but the only downside is that there is no search. Here, of course, you will need to devote a little time to this and scroll through and find one of the tricky settings, which is simply turned off in many. Look, this setting is called Wi-Fi connection acceleration. That is, we simultaneously save battery power and increase network performance. We simply activate this slider. There is no need to reboot the smartphone. You can already use it. Try restarting Wi-Fi. The internet will be better in any case.